Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes and I will show you how to buy SuperFarm token. So this is the SuperFarm project that EllioTrades here on YouTube has created and built with his team. And while I'm recording this video, it's not yet listed on Uniswap, but when you are watching this, it has been listed on Uniswap, so it should be safe. And I'm checking the SuperFarm token on CoinGecko.com right now, so you can see lots of different info here. Should at least see it. It's not yet a lot of information available right here, but when it's listed on Uniswap and stuff like that, it will have a chart that you can see, and you can also see some other things like market cap and stuff like that. So if you're completely new to using Uniswap, Metamask and stuff like that, I will show you how to get started with that and how you can buy SuperFarm using Metamask and Uniswap. So the first thing I usually do when I look for new projects is using CoinGecko, and you can search for projects right up here, and you can search for, SuperFarm in this case, and you will just click it and you will get to this page to see more information. You can see the website, you can see contract, which we will be using soon, and I will show you how you can, get started by SuperFarm doing this. So the first thing you have to do is to download Metamask, and you can do it on metamask.io. I can leave links below in my description as well. And you will just download it, and it's basically a crypto wallet and a gateway to blockchain apps. So this can seem a little tricky and advanced at first, but it's something that you will learn very easily. And it's an extension on Chrome, so you can see it right up in the corner there when you have installed it and stuff like that. You will have to set up your account, and you can watch other tutorials on how to set it up, and it's obviously some important steps that you need to follow, so I can leave links in the description as well to other tutorials on MetaMask, so you can check that out. And the next step when you have installed MetaMask is to go to Uniswap. And this is a decentralized trading protocol that we will be using to buy SuperFarm, because SuperFarm initially at least won't be listed at places like Coinbase and Binance and those large exchanges. Might be in the future when you're watching this, but not right now when I'm recording this, and it's just getting listed on Uniswap. So this is usually the first place where DeFi projects gets listed and launched, kind of. So you can just see right here, you can just click on use Uniswap, and you will basically see a very simple interface. So this is the Uniswap interface where you can buy DeFi cryptocurrency. You can buy Ethereum, you can buy BAT, DAI, GRT, you can see Link. So these are all very huge cryptocurrencies, and as you can see right here, you usually swap your ETH. So Ethereum is being used as the kind of main cryptocurrency to swap into other tokens. So we will be using ETH in this case to swap it into SuperFarm token. So right here you can see select a token. You need to get logged in as well to your MetaMask account. And as I said, I'm just showing you the basics so you can get more in details in other videos. So you can see right here to select a token. And this is the place where we will need to enter the SuperFarm address. So we will just go back to CoinGecko. You can see the contract right here. So I've already clicked on copy, but you can copy to clipboard. I will just click right here again, and you can also add the SuperFarm token to your MetaMask account, which is pretty cool as well. If you just click on this little wolf right there, or fox, probably more fox. So anyways, copy, go back to Uniswap interface and paste the address in the token right here. and you will see SuperFarm right here, and you can just click on import, and it will just say, you know, unknown source, trade at your own risk, etc. So this is a very important step. You know, you need to put your own trust and do your own research, so you know that the address you're pasting into this stuff is the correct one, or your money might be completely lost if you enter the wrong address. So you can just click on I understand if you're you know, if you're aware of this risk. And obviously this is not financial advice from me, this is just for educational purpose, so you can't blame me if this doesn't work as you might have expected. So this is a bit complicated, might seem, it's a bit scary, but you know, you will learn a thing or two, and it's definitely worth it from my own experience. So you can just import it right here, and what will happen is you can swap from either ETH or whatever, if you have some other, you know, cryptocurrencies right here. You know, I have paid, I have yield, and origin trails, stuff like that, but I will just keep it on ETH. And you know, I won't do the swap right now, I will just show you what it looks like. See, insufficient liquidity. So this is probably because the SuperFarm token has not been listed yet as for now. So anyways, that's basically it. You will just have to confirm the swap and follow some other steps. And as I said, again, you should definitely watch some Metamask and Uniswap tutorials on YouTube or whatever platform you'd like, so you don't get lost and overwhelmed. Anyways, that is it. If you enjoyed this video and know where to buy and how to buy SuperFarm now, you can leave a thumbs up on this video. You can subscribe to my channel as well if you want to see more cryptocurrency tutorials. So take care.